Assalamu alaikum. My name is Madhya Rahman and I am from the Smart School, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Campus 1. Today, we will be discussing Grade 3 Social Studies, Chapter 12, Citizenship, Rights and Responsibilities. On textbook, it is on page number 64 to 67. What we will learn in this chapter? We will be discussing the chapter topics citizenship, rights and responsibilities, basic human rights, rights of children. Keywords we will learn and use in this chapter: citizenship, community, rights, responsibility, obligation, immigration, equality. We will start with citizenship. Citizenship can be defined as a status of being a citizen of a particular country. A citizen is a member of a community. Now, what is a community? A community means a group of people living in the same place or they have some common qualities. For example, student of grade 3. What is the common thing between them? They all are the student of grade 3. So I can say that grade 3 is a community and students are its citizen. A community can be big and small both ways. A classroom, school, town, city, and even a country. Now, if I say global community, what does global community means? Global means Earth. So, everything or everyone living on the planet Earth is included in global community. Ways to be a citizen. There are different ways to be a citizen of a community. We shall discuss them one by one. Number 1. Citizenship by birth. If a child is born in a country, the country provides him or her with their citizenship. Citizenship by parents. Parents living in a country get citizenship of their children. Citizenship by marriage. People get citizenship of the country their spouse or their partner belongs to. Citizenship by immigration. Many countries offer their citizenship to people living in other countries willing to migrate and settle there. Rights and responsibilities. First, we will discuss rights. It can be defined as a freedom that is protected. Every living thing have rights. Example, right to free speech and to practice any religion. Responsibilities. Now, what is a responsibility? It is defined as a duty or obligation, something we should do. It can be following law and rules of a country, helping and bringing out the positive change in the community. Example, doing your homework. Let's have a look at it again. Right is something that you must have. Responsibility is something that you must do. Now, as a student, your right is to have a good quality education, and your responsibility is to do your work on time. Basic human rights. Basic human rights often include right to life. Every human being on the planet Earth has a right to live freely. Liberty and security. Every human being has a right to live free and to feel secure in the place he is living. Freedom of thought and expression. All the humans have the right of freedom to speak and to express their thought and their opinion. Equal before the law. Everyone has the right to be treated equally by the law, meaning the law of the country should treat each and every person equally, either being rich or poor. Do you know? Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR is a document adopted by the United Nations in 1948. This document states the basic rights of human. Rights of citizen. Following are the rights of a citizen: live and be free, move freely, express their thoughts, be treated equally, vote in elections, to participate in elections, leave, enter, or remain in the country, earn a living, get education, follow their religion, get healthcare facility, get justice. Responsibilities of a citizen. Choose the right candidate, follow the law and rules of the country, pay taxes, educate others, respect others' religion, respect others' opinion, respect private and public property, helping your community. Now, students, we will be discussing the rights of children. Be alive, have an identity, name and nationality, live with family who cares, have an opinion, be listened to, choose friends, have a safe place to live, play and take rest, have good quality education, have best healthcare facility, clean and safe environment, clean water and nutritious food. These are the rights of children in the world. As the chapter has finished, let's try to solve the question and answers. Question number 1. What is citizenship? Write any two ways to be a citizen. Citizenship is being part of a particular country. We can be citizen by birth. Number 2, immigration. I have explained you, by birth, citizenship means if a child is born in a country, the country gives him or her the citizenship. Immigration. Citizenship by immigration means that a country is willing to give citizenship to a person living in other country who is willing to travel and settle in the country, giving the immigration. Question number 2. What is responsibility? Explain by giving an example. A responsibility is a duty, something you should do. It can be following the rules, helping the community, etc. As a student, your responsibility is to follow the instructions of your teacher, take care of your school, do your work on time. Question number 3. Discuss any three basic human rights. Basic human rights include: number 1, equality among law. Everyone has the right to be treated equally and fairly by the law, either rich or poor. Number 2, right to life and liberty. Everyone has the right to live in freedom and the state is responsible to provide security. Number 3, freedom of thought. Everyone has the right to express their thoughts and feelings. Question number 4. What is UDHR? UDHR stands for Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This document states the basic rights of human. Question number 5. Can you list your responsibilities as a student? Responsibility as a student: listen to my teachers, follow instructions, complete my work on time, take care of my class and school. These are the responsibilities of you as a student. Question number 6. Enlist any 4 rights of children. Following are some of the rights of children: be alive, choose friends, good quality education, safe place to live. Now students, can you do it? I would like you to solve the following exercise on your own. You can take help from your parents or your siblings. Question number 1 on page number 67 and the activity on page number 67. In question number 1, you have to correct the wrong statements and state whether it is true or false. Activity. In activity on page number 2067, you have to write at least 3 of your rights and responsibilities as a student. Responsibilities of you as a student we have done in the question and answer. You can try and think of the rights you have as a student. I hope that this chapter is clear. Chapter number 12, Citizenship, Rights and Responsibilities is now complete. Try to solve the given work on your own. Good luck.